Brian Parthemore here. I'm with my wife,
Sarah Parthemore.
and we're here in Fort Laramie, Ohio. So let's go check this out. We're at the Fort Laramie trading post, and we seen, guess what? Yes, you guys are right. It's Bigfoot. This is a big ass feet. And guess what, guys? This ain't like you other Bigfoot explorers and get the fuzzy looking pictures. Look, it's Bigfoot at the Fort Laramie trading post, and with his big feet. And I gotta pick around with you guys, but anything to do with paranormal, Parthemore Paranormal likes. We like the paranormal, we like the urban exploring, we like roadside attractions, and we like Bigfoot. I like the detail though. It'd probably cost a fortune. Look at him eyes. But yeah. But remember, guys. Again, I'm in Fort Laramie, Ohio. Bigfoot statue. I've seen Bigfoot statues all over the place, but this one's easy to just walk right up to and get your picture taken with it. But guys, remember to hit that like button down below. Hit it right now. But again, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And everybody, guess what? Keep exploring, and peace from me and Bigfoot and Sarah. Again, you guys have a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.